In this video, I will demonstrate how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC or laptop for free. If you're looking to edit videos on your computer using CapCut, this video will guide you through the process. CapCut is now accessible for Windows computers, so you no longer need to rely on an Android emulator to use it. We can easily obtain it from the Microsoft Store on our PC. To begin the installation of CapCut on your computer, the first step is to click on the Windows Start button located down here. After that, type Store in the search bar. The Microsoft Store should appear as the top result, so select that option. Once the Microsoft Store opens, navigate to the top section labeled Search Apps, Games, Movies, and more, and type in CapCut. Go ahead and hit search, and you should see CapCut as the first option. Click on it and then select Install. It may also say Get, but just click that until you see the Install option. Keep in mind that CapCut is only 333 megabytes, so it's not a large file. After downloading, it will automatically begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you can go to your Start menu again, and you should find CapCut listed as a recently added application. Go ahead and open it. It will conduct a quick check on your computer to ensure that it can run CapCut smoothly. Just select Confirm. Since I already have CapCut, it won't ask me that question. I'm speaking to new users. After that, CapCut will launch, and you'll be ready to start creating and editing videos on your Windows PC or laptop. That's how you can download and install CapCut on a Windows PC or laptop. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll respond as soon as I can. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.